What is it?
New boots.
See, I didn't just get you play toys. I got you stuff you needed.
Are these steel-toe boots?
No. Not that I know of.
Well, looks like what I got.
No. You can take them and trade them.
They're good boots.
Well, I asked her if you could bring them and trade them if you needed to. She said yes. So if you want the steel-toed instead.
No, the steel-toe ones I gotta have to work with. These are good boots for around the house. They're good boots.
No, but I thought you needed a new pair of boots. But if you need the steel-toed ones, we'll go trade them.
Well, but the company buys the steel-toed ones.
Okay.
These are good boots. Thank you.
You already had boots for around here.
Dad, I put a spider on your shoulder.
13 double E's. There you go, babe.
Dad,
Well,